What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Clement Customs. And today, well, the whole weekend, should I say, is all about Deuce Days. And so basically, for any of you guys that don't know about Deuce Days, it's a every 3 years car show that happens in Victoria, our hometown, and it brings people from all over the world. Like, we got guys from Texas, you get people from Montana, even I've heard guys ship their car from, Europe and New Zealand and Australia and stuff. So it's a very well-known car show with mostly all about deuces and whatnot. So not typically TMI's kind of builds, but we can totally understand, the love and passion that these guys put into it. But it's like, I don't know, something around 1,200 to 1,500 cars show up. So it is a very jam-packed day, and they shut down the whole streets downtown, right in front of the Empress and Parliament buildings. So it's a wild one. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna pile on the thing. We're taking my bus, my mom's coming in her split bus, and also Tom's coming in his split 23 window as well. And we're gonna cruise all the way through downtown. It's Saturday, so it's the day before the show, but I'll tell you right now, the streets downtown are absolutely crazy jam-packed. There's not a normal modern car on the road downtown. It's a really cool scene. So I'm gonna take you guys along through that, show you kind of what's going on downtown, and then tomorrow I'm gonna try my best to film, what's actually happening downtown. It's usually so busy, so there's gonna be a good chance it might not be the greatest footage tomorrow. Enough of that. Let's head down, grab some dinner, and watch, the chaos downtown.
Time to get some fish and chips. All right, let's do it. I don't have a mic on me, so I don't know if you're gonna pick anything up very good, but time to get some fish and chips. Best fish and chips in all of Victoria. Where is it? Where's the sign? Barb's. Awesome. Recommend highly.
Yeah, we just finished up eating, so now we're gonna go take the 3 whips out for a cruise. Trying to get Tay to get back here. There's Tay. There's a parking guy right there, and Tay's parked illegally, and none of us paid for parking. So I just called Tay to get his ass up here because he would tow us. So I did my teeth there. He's close. Look at he's 4 cars away from you.
No tickets.
Yeah, no tickets for Tay.
Good timing to
I
come back up
know,
here.
no shit, man. So we made it downtown. We got the buses parked way over there, and we'll just walk around and see what we can see. Tay and I actually saw a photo of this vehicle just earlier, and we tracked it down.
That's pretty cool.
It does look pretty rad. As you guys know, Tay and I have a cab over our own, and there's a chopped one right here. Where's it from?
Colorado.
Damn, all the way from Colorado. Yeah.
Fifth wheel hauler.
Like, that's a hella chop.
That's a hella chop. I like it.
There you go. Something that Tay likes.
I like it.
and thing, and we got stopped. The Blue Bridge is open, or opening for that. So we're gonna be here for about 20 minutes and then head home. But hope you guys enjoyed the footage of everything that we got downtown. And yeah, tomorrow's gonna be another day. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, day 2. It is show day. So we're just heading downtown right now. And hopefully we got here early enough. It's not too much of a shit show. So let's go check out some hot rods.
First stop, Starbucks. Let's go.
Yeah, we gotta keep the women happy because they came with us. So yeah, that's where we're headed now.
It does look a lot more comfortable without the bulkhead in it, eh?
No kidding. That's what I'm saying. We gotta get rid of the dog. All right, this is, I think, probably Tay, my favorite vehicle here.
Very cool.
It is super rad. So let me show you a little bit more about it.
It looks like I'm taking ways.
I think just the body lines on this thing are just incredible. Like how just the fenders and the whole, everything comes to a point. It just looks so sexy. And they're from Oregon.
You think he drove it?
I don't know, do you want to ask him?
No, I don't. I feel bad asking. I feel like I know the answer.
Yeah, totally, it's too beautiful. But this is by far one of my favorite vehicles, and this was here 3 years ago, and I love this vehicle. Nice fender skirts and everything. Super rad vehicle. I like the Lincoln Zephyrs too because they do the dual glove box scenario, just kind of like how the split bug that I have. It's right, so you got a glove box on this side for the passenger and also for the driver's side, and then the whole dash comes down. I think it's called a waterfall dash where it drops all the way to the ground, which I think is such a rad little just detail. It's super cool. And look at these seats. Like, man, Tay, we got in the wrong world of doing the Volkswagen stuff. They are not comfy. Super rad Zephyr. I love it. Just leaving the show now. It's, you know, we were there for 2 or 3 hours and it was just absolutely getting stupid packed. So we saw most of the stuff that we need to see. So, you know, hopefully Tay and I showed you a couple of our favorite little rigs in there and showed you some others. So crazy show, happens every 3 years, always a treat, and it's in our hometown, which is we're very fortunate for. So, but yeah, that's a wrap for the whole Deuce Days weekend. So I'll leave you guys at that one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.